We're doing an unboxing video on TRUFIBER's carbon fiber mirror caps, and then we got a little surprise for y'all, which is I'm looking at it right now, but I'm gonna show you guys. I bought them used because they are brand new, so why not get a deal if they're barely used? But I'll show y'all in a few minutes. We're gonna get to that, but we're gonna get to the best part that I like anyways. Because, you know, I've done so much power mods, it's about time for me to do some like look mods to kind of mix everything together with the carbon hood, if you guys seen that recently. But all right, so again, this is TRUFIBER. They make a lot of interior parts, and from what I've seen, their shipping time, I feel like, is pretty good. It's not bad for a carbon fiber company. You know, when they have items, they actually will ship them out to you. It comes with this little like, looks pretty professional. I like it. Private label and dealer program, something like that. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at that little 50 right on the back. They send it pretty good packaged. You know, they try to keep it really safe. Kind of respect that. You know, a lot of companies really don't care. They just want to get it out. So what did it come with? It came just like this. They sent me, I believe this is like an adhesive pen, if I'm right. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are the mirror caps. So we're gonna unbox those right now. And then they sent me some alcohol prep pads. Okay, let's open this. I don't want to have this video going too long for all this. No, you know. But I'm gonna show like a before and after of like what the caps look like before. I want to be so careful with these because these feel very fragile, and I swear I'll be so mad at myself if I scratch these. Okay, it feels like real carbon right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, these look player. Not gonna lie, I thought they were like actual caps that you replace yours with, so I was wrong, but these are just an adhesive sticky one. But I'm gonna show you guys in the light, kind of so you guys get a good idea, and then I'll do like a before and after like I said, and then I'm gonna show you guys these parts that I have right here. So I don't know what side this is, but I mean, yeah, that's real carbon. You know, a lot of these companies don't really clear them as well, so I guess we'll have to see throughout time how they handle the heat and everything. My car is covered up, so but yep, that's one of them. Let's open up the other one real fast. Okay, we're not using a knife. I know you guys heard that. I don't think it went through. If it did, then you know, it is what it is. Damn. They really package these in there. Woo! It's a little spot at the end, but who matters? It's the very end. And here's the other one. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, these are pretty fire. Pretty fire. I'm gonna get some of the sunlight for y'all on these a little bit later when we go outside. But yeah, look, hopefully you guys can kind of see. But yeah, that's real carbon. They feel nice. That's TRUFIBER. You know, they're pretty affordable too. They're only like 200 bucks. So I feel like they put that adhesive in here for you. They give you all the things you need from what it seems like, from what I can look at. You know, the pads, the adhesion promoter, which I think it is. And then now we're gonna get to what I was gonna say. So, what some people would probably be waiting for. So I got some lightweight bare brakes. I mean, it's really hard to say. They definitely feel a lot lighter than what the stock did. But I mean, they they're not too bad for being used. But the main part was the calipers that are expensive. The actual rotors aren't really too bad. So these are bare brakes, rotors, and calipers. I believe it came with brakes already. But, you know, who's to use brakes? I bought new ones, but I might use them just for the track for tomorrow. Why not? And then the second one, not really too bad. There's no cracks. And again, this is bare brakes, rotors. This is the lightweight ones. So here's the second one. And then the part that people would like. Sheesh. These aren't in too bad condition. I feel like they can be a little bit better, but for the price that I paid for them, they're really not too bad. Definitely look better than stock by far. Oh, I don't really see how these are lightweight, but I guess I'd have to have side by side to really tell. But yeah, this is one of the calipers. Again, this is bare. This is the other caliper. Not too bad condition. Little scrapes here and there, but you know, their calipers are not supposed to look pretty. Definitely is a lot better than the stock ones, you know. So we're gonna get back to it. We still got one more thing, actually, y'all. My fault. Wait. The other part of the day, we got a two-step. So we're gonna try and hook this up today if we're able to. And this definitely does look like a lot of stuff for sure to hook up. A lot more than I'm entitled to today, but I don't know. Hopefully it's just all plug and play and it's not really too much. So we're gonna hopefully get to this today if we have time, because again, I want to try to have it for the track tomorrow. And then shout out to bro. These are the new brake lines, I believe, too. Not gonna do too much. Here's the mirror caps. You know, we're just gonna wipe it down with hydrogen peroxide. That's what I have right this minute. Make sure everything is off here. Yep, look at that. Little things think they're staying on here. Make sure everything's wiped off really good. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. Make sure everything's wiped off good. Make sure it's dry. Okay, now. Keep making sure it's dry. And then grab the mirror cap real fast. So that side we got that adhesive promoter. This side we didn't. I use alcohol. Hopefully this works. Alright. Before and after, y'all. Carbon mirror caps look like for the 11 to 14 Mustang GT. Maybe it'll show their quality of all their other products. I hope that helped you guys out to kind of help make that decision. If you guys want the videos on a two-step or the bare installation and things like that and how light, maybe I can compare side by side my aftermarket drilled and slotted ones, the original size versus the bare brakes I have. My bad, I kind of ran up the stairs real quick. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, reviews, etc., things like that. Appreciate y'all for checking in.